Before we go to intermission, I just want to tell you that my beautiful wife, we've been married 38 years. You're going to see her in just a second. Yeah. Normally, she adores me. Most of the time, we get along great, but there are days that she just likes to get me out of the house. Just go, get out, right, go. Then sometimes there's weeks like she just wants me out of the country, Then there's also days that I think she just wants to stick a stamp on me and ship me anywhere to have me around home. So let's see what she has in mind today. Don't be late. We got a great rest of the show. Bye-bye.